Dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. At this year's Geneva Motor Show, BYD's impressive lineup indicates that the company has decided to fully enter the European market. BYD's comprehensive foray into the European market is both a challenge and an opportunity. Behind this move lies the ambitious goal of the Chinese manufacturing industry to expand globally, while also highlighting the rising momentum of new energy vehicles in the global market. However, it is worth noting that although BYD has performed well in the domestic market, what challenges will it face in establishing itself in the fiercely competitive European market, gaining recognition from European consumers, and competing against traditional European automotive brands? In the process of entering the European market, can BYD overcome various obstacles such as cultural differences, technical standards, and brand awareness? Additionally, it is worth exploring whether BYD's globalization strategy is too rapid, whether it is eager to expand into international markets before firmly establishing itself in the domestic market. In the European market competition, how will BYD maintain innovation and quality, and continuously enhance its competitiveness? At the beginning of the new year, the dominance of BYD's electric vehicles is once again evident. On February 19th, the official announcement of the launch of the Qin Plus Honor Edition caused a quake in the domestic market with a starting price of 79,800 yuan. Just 7 days later, it fully embarked on its European campaign. On February 26th, BYD showcased 8 new models at the Geneva Motor Show, including the Song Plus DMI, Sea Lion, Tang D9, Tang N7, and Yuan Wang U8, demonstrating product diversity and advanced technology. The booth attracted numerous spectators, making Chinese companies the focus of the global stage. With such a strong rise, does this mean that BYD will dominate the global new energy vehicle market? It is well known that most world-renowned automotive brands belong to European brands. The European automotive market is also the most mature and competitive market in the world. If the technology is not solid, automotive manufacturers dare not easily enter. However, if it can establish a foothold in Europe, then BYD's entry into other markets will be much easier, greatly enhancing the globalization process. BYD has decided to expand comprehensively and establish a foothold in the European market. In 2023, the pre-sale price of the BYD Han EV reached as high as €72,000, attracting attention. The European pricing of the Yuan Wang U8 has become a focus. BYD has begun construction of a passenger car factory in Hungary, and the Italian government has also been in contact with it. This strong entry is remarkable. But can it become the hegemon of the global automotive industry? At this year's Geneva Motor Show, BYD's impressive lineup indicates that the company has decided to fully enter the European market, even bringing the Yuan Wang U8, which represents BYD's strong technological strength. In 2023, the BYD Han EV was already listed in Europe with a price starting at €72,000, equivalent to about 500,000 renminbi, which is comparable to the European price of the German BMW X5. The subsequent European market pricing of the higher-positioned Yuan Wang U8 will undoubtedly be a major highlight. To fully enter the European market, BYD has made full preparations. According to Hungarian media reports, BYD officials signed a land pre-purchase agreement with the Szeged city government in Hungary on January 30th, officially starting the construction of the BYD Hungary passenger car factory, becoming the first Chinese automaker to build a factory in Europe. Similarly, the Italian government also favors BYD's new energy vehicles. Earlier Italian media reports stated that in order to introduce the second automaker outside of Fiat manufacturer Stellantis, the Italian government has contacted BYD. On February 26, Michael Shu, general manager of BYD Europe, accepted an interview with Bloomberg at the Geneva International Motor Show, confirming that the company has had contacts and discussions with the Italian government regarding factory construction. Unexpectedly, BYD, once openly ridiculed by Elon Musk, has now fully entered the European market, confronting the highly skilled European car companies head-on, and has preliminarily gained recognition from European consumers. With this momentum, in a few years, BYD will not only be the leader in new energy vehicles but also surpass Toyota of Japan to become the hegemon of the global automotive industry. Yes, at this year's Geneva Motor Show, BYD's impressive lineup demonstrates its determination to fully enter the European market. The development of new energy vehicle technology has always been a key focus of the automotive industry. BYD's display of new energy models at the Geneva Motor Show attracted global attention. Its adoption of advanced battery technology, efficient electric drive systems, and intelligent charging technology give its products a competitive advantage in terms of performance and range. In addition, BYD continues to invest in research and development, committed to improving the performance and intelligence level of new energy vehicles. With the increasing awareness of environmental protection globally and government support for new energy vehicles, the new energy vehicle market will continue to expand, and BYD, as an industry leader, is expected to occupy a larger share of the global market. BYD's entry into the European market has attracted attention from the geopolitical perspective. The rise of Chinese automotive companies in the European market may cause anxiety among European domestic automotive companies and may affect the automotive industry structure in the region to some extent. In addition, the expansion of Chinese automotive companies in Europe may also be influenced by political factors such as trade relations and investment policies. Against the backdrop of globalization and multipolarity, the entry of Chinese automotive companies into the European market also reflects the adjustment and reshaping of the global automotive industry pattern. BYD's entry into the European market is a microcosm of the trend of globalization in the automotive industry. The competition in the global automotive market is becoming increasingly fierce, and automotive companies from various countries are seeking expansion in the global market. The rise of Chinese automotive companies in the international market demonstrates the strength and competitiveness of the Chinese automotive industry. However, the globalization of the global automotive market also faces challenges, including international trade frictions, political risks, and technological barriers. In this context, the entry of Chinese automotive companies into the European market is a strategic choice that is both challenging and opportunistic. Finally, let me summarize today's video, hoping it brings you some inspiration and value. As a seasoned blogger, I believe we should be cautious about the possibility of Chinese electric car monopolies. As Chinese automakers such as BYD rapidly expand globally, they may become dominant players in the electric vehicle market. While this development is positive for driving the development of new energy vehicles, if a monopoly situation arises, it may have negative effects on market competition and consumer interests. Therefore, regulatory agencies and the international community need to closely monitor the development of the electric vehicle market to ensure fair competition and healthy market development. In this context, I would like to pose a few questions for everyone to ponder. How should we balance the promotion of new energy vehicle development and the prevention of monopoly competition? How can we ensure that consumer interests are not harmed in the new energy vehicle market? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Today's video ends here. See you next time for more exciting content. Bye-bye. Bye.